So my little fence here was only 3 feet tall and my beagle kept jumping over it and getting into my garden. So I decided to put another layer on top of it. So then we had kind of like 5 to 6 feet of fencing, give or take. And I had a bunch of extra garden fencing in my shed, so I went to work. This fencing ended up not being enough. It was just really wobbly and janky. And of course, my beagle jumped over it. I can't believe she can jump 5 feet, but she got a running start. She can jump pretty high. So I made the decision to just go ahead and get some livestock fencing. My dad made some recommendations, but I found some 6-foot fencing at Home Depot. It was $100 for 50 feet of it. And after measuring out my garden, I realized I'd be about 5 feet short, so I just got one roll and improvised with the rest, as you'll see later. I was doing some spring cleaning here in March before I could plant and just kind of resetting everything and doing some minor repairs. I decided to plant more zucchini and kind of space them out this year and not plant any peppers. So just kind of built some little, I don't know, trellises for them, I guess. So we removed the old fencing, and the year before when we'd installed the garden, I had zip tied the fencing to some of the large green garden stakes. So we just cut that down and weeded it a little bit.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name.
Girl.
One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.